So a survey collected 20K job titles and showed that new employees were getting paid on average 7% higher than those who stayed with the company. And this is not to turn your cheek to the company. It's just you really need to understand, in terms of compensation, in terms of maximizing your pay, loyalty is respected, but moving from one role, one company to the next is valued, and valued in terms of compensation. So if that's what you're really looking after, or really trying to get your income rolling and get your career moving, it is going to take you being willing to leave the role. And hey, right now, this is a great opportune time. Great, I understand we're sinking down and we're migrating to a recession, and rates are higher and inflation is out of control. But it's also one of the healthiest job markets we've ever seen. One nearly zero point 0.7, nearly 2 jobs for every unemployed person. And if you're employed, that just makes you that more valuable in the marketplace right now, because you really, in lots of circumstances, have no real reason to leave. So that employer really has to pull out all the stops to bring you in. Again, what we're seeing is employers are bringing out the top of the range, sign-on bonuses, stock, all these extra benefits that have been there before, but they're just being upfront with it to entice you to come do the work at their company. I want you to think about this in terms of what's going to help move you to your financial goals. Ultimately, income, because you got to have the income to hit these financial goals. You got to have the income to actually make progress. Goals are great, but the income gets you there. Talk to you guys soon.